In an era where saving energy and embracing eco-conscious options are not just optional, but essential, we introduce a chiller that excels in energy efficiency and environmental sustainability, while also being cost-effective, easy to manage, and safe. LG's innovative technology and flexible design deliver the ultimate solution. Meet LG's air-cooled Inverter Scroll Chiller, the answer you've been looking for. Cooling load requirements constantly change throughout the day, leading to ever-changing operation conditions. Unlike fixed-speed systems that only support a minimum of 50% part load, LG's cutting-edge all-inverter system is equipped with a compressor that operates linearly across a wide frequency range. That allows it to precisely match lower load changes, even down to 20%. Enhancing energy efficiency and reducing operational costs. Moreover, LG's unique high-pressure oil return technology, HiPour, sends oil directly back to the compressor, minimizing energy loss. The high starting current of fixed-speed models requires more electricity and increases costs, often necessitating additional investment in soft starters. In contrast, LG's inverter system starts up more smoothly, avoiding inrush current and reducing the risk of electrical and mechanical stress. Additionally, LG chillers run quietly, creating a more serene environment. The silent operation function further reduces noise by adjusting the fan's RPM during nighttime hours. Moreover, the chiller's wide operation range expands the output temperature for both cold and hot water by about 41 degrees Fahrenheit, leading to a more optimized heating performance. LG's Inverter Scroll Chiller's modular design offers unparalleled flexibility. No matter the change in cooling load requirements due to new tenants or remodeling, you can easily adjust by adding more chillers as needed. Its compact design, requiring only 53.1 square feet per unit area for a 60 RT model, makes it 18% smaller than other companies' model, which translates to much simpler installations. A single user-friendly HMI touch controller manages up to 5 chillers remotely, even from 1,640 feet away. The modular design also facilitates quick error detection and servicing, while the system continues to operate seamlessly. Lastly, a single controller integrates control of both LG's VRF and Inverter Scroll Chiller, streamlining operation. The R32 Inverter Scroll Chiller is a cornerstone product for ESG, using inverter heat pump technology suitable for spaces like air-conditioned offices or areas needing boiler updates like schools and factories. It also adapts well for controlling the climate in smart farms or managing the water temperature in swimming pools, offering unparalleled efficiency and flexibility. LG's air-cooled Inverter Scroll Chiller provides an air solution that's sure to meet and exceed expectations.